Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about Paycor tutorial for beginners. So first is on logging in. Visit www.paycor.com, then click on login or sign in here, and then select the appropriate portal, either employee or administrator, and then enter your username and password. Now, on the dashboard overview, after logging in, you'll land you will land on your dashboard, which may show pay stubs, time cards, benefits info, company announcement, and tasks. Now for viewing pay stubs, go to Pay or Pay Stubs tab. Click on a specific date to view or download the pay stub. You can view YTD earnings, deductions, and tax withholdings. On managing time and attendance. If it's enabled, go to time, then time cards. To clock in or out or manually enter hours, submit time card at the end of the pay period. View attendance record and corrections. Now, benefits enrollment. Navigate to Benefits or My Benefits. View current benefit plan, either medical, dental, vision, or etc. During open enrollment, follow the step-by-step guide to make elections. Now on updating personal information, go to My Info or Profile. Update contact info, emergency contacts, and address. You might need HR approval for some changes. Now on accessing W-2s and tax documents, go to tax documents under Pay tab, download W-2s, 1099s, or other tax forms. On requesting time off, navigate to Time Off or Request. Select dates, reason, and submit for approval. Track balances for vacation, sick leave, etc. Now, common admin features for managers or HR. First is the Run Payroll, step-by-step wizard for processing payroll. Next is Add New Employees via the Add Employee tool in HR. Next is Reports. Create and export payroll, time, and benefits reports. And lastly, Compliance Tools. Ensure labor law compliance. And lastly, for the mobile app, download Paycor Mobile. Log in with your account to access time tracking, pay stubs, and messages. And that's basically it.